Hey everyone! If your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and won't boot up, don't panic. I'm going to show you a simple and safe method to bring it back to life without losing any of your data. Here's what you need to do. First, locate the volume up, volume down, and the side button on your iPhone. Now follow this exact sequence. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then immediately press and hold the side button. Even if nothing happens right away, keep holding the side button. After a few seconds, the screen will go completely black. That's a good sign. Then the Apple logo will show up again, and that's when you should release the side button. What you just did is called a force restart. It doesn't delete your data. It just refreshes the system and reboots the device safely. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. The key is timing. Once you get the hang of it, your iPhone should boot up normally again. I hope this helped you out. If it did, feel free to give the video a like and drop a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.